Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup Lipton only way. Start by gathering Lipton mix, cooked chicken, egg noodles, broth, and aromatics. Chop onion, carrot, and celery finely and measure noodles and broth. Sauté aromatics gently to release sweetness, then add broth and Lipton mix. Simmer to meld flavors, add noodles and shredded chicken near the end, then season to taste and serve warm. Begin by heating a splash of oil, then sauté onion, carrot, and celery until soft and fragrant. Pour in broth and sprinkle Lipton mix, stirring until fully combined. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer to let flavors marry, then add egg noodles later to keep their texture. Stir in shredded cooked chicken toward the end so it warms without drying. Taste and adjust salt or pepper, then ladle into bowls. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort in the kitchen. I slipped on a pair while stirring soup and never looked back. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair mention the video. Now let's get back to the video. Timing is the secret to perfect texture, so watch your pot closely and adjust heat as needed. Add noodles only when the broth has simmered enough to develop flavor, and give them just enough time to become tender. Stir in shredded chicken last so it warms through but stays juicy. If the broth concentrates too much, add a splash of water or stock. Finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.